Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you what is called Basotho's food. These dishes were prepared by my mom because my little brothers were assigned to bring each one of these dishes at school for a cultural day. So I thought before they take all of them to school, I should showcase some of our food to you guys, as I've noticed that some of you watch from afar, and I'm so grateful for that. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So this is what we call this one, deep abbey. It's called deep abbey. It is mainly roasted maize, and then it is grinded to get to this texture. As you can see, it's kind of powderish like this. It's powder, yeah. So that is what is called deep abbey. Deep abbey. So you can enjoy it with sugar or without sugar. Normally some people put salt as well, but I would prefer them necessarily with sugar. But the right way, it's sugar and salt. And I'm pretty sure people used to eat it without those. Now it's just for sweetening. And after that, you drink water and you're necessarily good for the day. And then this is what is called the aponi. Yes, this one you just take the maize and you boil it. Necessarily, that's just it. And then you pour salt. You mix it with salt, yes, for sweetening as well. Yeah, for flavor, I could say. Yes, so my personal favorite between the two of this is this one. It's deep abbey. I really love this so much. So thank you guys for tuning in to Basotho's food. I'll be sharing more of this and probably how to prepare them. I should have thought of making a video showing how to prepare them, but I'll still do some of those type of videos. And yeah, necessarily this is what people used to eat back in the days. Yeah, and this could actually last you like a whole day. You just eat this and you drink it with water and you're good to go. So yeah, this is what is called Basotho's food, deep abbey, and the aponi. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, please, so that YouTube can help me with the algorithm of showing this video to other people who want to know more about Basotho's culture. So thank you. Bye.